Upgrading from an installed TPT 650 to the TPT 2 7-inch is relatively easy. We use two universal clips in the existing backbox and screw the retrofit frame to them. Using the TPT 650 slots, we locate the lugs on the universal clip. Simply tighten up the brackets to the support frame. And we can tighten up on the left hand side too. The frame can be mudded, or we use an external bezel to finish the TPT2. The new install kit is even easier. Simply locate it onto the nearest stud, tighten up the bracket, make any necessary adjustments for the Z dimension or the orientation of the TPT2. Pick up the nearest home run cable to the PoE injector, plug it into the PoE port on the back of the TPT2 and snap the TPT2 into the support frame using the spring clips. No visible screws. So Equinox control, standard electrical wall box, station bus, infrastructure support, and the pigtail that we provide with all of our standard keypad stations. Universal support bracket. Take the station bus pigtail, plug it into the back of Equinox control. Use a small set screw at the base. Again, no visible screws. And that's the install of Equinox control.